Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out together right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. So guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and you will have to have a recheck on the chart if you are not joining me live and direct. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, before I do that, I want to say congratulations to those of you on the Telegram platform, or those of you that are having any of my custom made indicators. Okay, because I dropped a signal, some signals on the Telegram platforms, and of course I've been seeing trading results of um I've been seeing trading results that are between $50 to $100 right there from most of the subscribers on the Telegram channel. So if you're not there, or you have not been following up down there on the Telegram channel, then you are missing a lot. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. This is boom 1000, and of course I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. This has been on a very strong downtrend right from this resistance zone, and you can see it has been selling. The trading tools actually gave us a quick signal at the top right here, a downtrend signal, and of course a sell signal, and of course it has been on and on and on like that. Okay, that was amazing guys. And of course guys, if you are still within in the trade, congratulations to you all. Okay, that's huge guys. So this is more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so if you are checking out this chart, you notice that it just broke out from this support zone, so it's still going to be selling more till it get to the next support zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back into an uptrend. Okay, so this is very important. For now, it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset should be boom 500. Let's check it out together. Okay, so guys, this is boom 500, and of course this had been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Got to this region, had a pullback, went back up to break out above it, and of course it has been buying since then. If it's unable to break out above that resistance zone, then it's going to sell. Okay, so we should take note of that, but for now it is more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is actually crash 1000. Let's check it out together. Okay, so guys, this is crash 1000, and of course guys, just the way you're seeing this guys, it actually went on downtrend but came to an end at the support zone, but right now it has started an uptrend. But if you should notice, here is a resistance zone, and it got there and crashed down, so it will be trying it out again. Once it breaks out from there, then it will move up. Okay, so this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. And of course the next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay, let's check it out together. Okay, this is crash 500, and of course this has been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. It has got into this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out above it, then definitely it's going to go down and go back into a downtrend. But for now, it is still buying until it is unable to break out above that resistance zone. So we should take note of that. Okay, the last asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is volatility zone 5. This had been more of a downtrend than an uptrend, but it has got into this support zone. If it's unable to break out below this support zone, then it will go back fully into a buy trend. But if it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. Okay, so we expect a buying opportunity from there. That is if it does not break out below the support zone. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God